What if I told you the iPhone 17 Pro's chip could be 500 times more powerful than the very first iPhone? Yeah, you heard that right, 500X. From a pocket gadget that once barely ran apps to a powerhouse that can rival laptops, Apple's journey is nothing short of mind-blowing, and with the iPhone 17 Pro, they're not slowing down. In fact, they might just be gearing up for their biggest leap in performance, camera, and design ever. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into what could be Apple's most ambitious iPhone yet. Let's rewind for a second. Back in 2007, Steve Jobs introduced the original iPhone, which came with a humble Samsung-made M11 chip running at just 412 MHz. Fast forward to today, and Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip clocks over 4 GHz, according to a fresh study by PC Watch. iPhone performance has grown nearly 385 times since that first device, and if trends continue, we could hit the 500x milestone with the iPhone 17 Pro in 2025. That's an average annual performance bump of around 40%, tracked using Geekbench scores. Think about it, your next iPhone might outperform some entry-level desktop PCs. And Apple's done all this while sticking to a 6-score design since 2017 to high-performance cores for efficiency ones. Meanwhile, Android manufacturers went all in with 8 and 10-core beasts, but still often lag behind Apple in real-world performance. Talk about doing more with less, but performance isn't the only story. Apple's cooking up major camera upgrades for the iPhone 17 Pro. A leak suggests we might see a new telephoto lens with 8x optical zoom up from the 5x. On the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that's some serious DSLR level reach, ideal for wildlife shots. Or, let's be honest, zooming in on your crush across the room without moving. The rumors don't stop there. A continuous zoom system could let you switch focal lengths smoothly, another DSLR-style feature. And to top it off, Apple might introduce a dedicated Pro camera app, competing with third-party legends like Halide and Filmic Pro. Will it be exclusive to the Pro models? We don't know yet, but if so, that's another reason to go Pro.0. And get this, Apple's allegedly testing a second camera control button on the top edge. That's odd considering Apple has been trying to get rid of buttons altogether. Maybe it's a decoy, or maybe Tim Cook's just feeling adventurous, design-wise. The iPhone 17 lineup is getting spicy. One leak shows a horizontal camera island on the back, kind of like a Google Pixel. Yes, Apple looking like Google, what a twist. Even Google had a laugh with a cheeky post about it. There's also talk of a new splicing technique that gives the back a smoother transition into the frame, ditching the sharp edges for a more ergonomic grip. It's a small change, but one your hands will thank you for during those late-night scrolling marathons. Also, expect a new copper-like finish and a possibly centered Apple logo, which, let's be honest, will probably spark weeks of internet debates. Is it aesthetic perfection or a branding crisis? You decide. Now let's talk screen. The entire iPhone 17 lineup, yes. Even the base model might finally get promotion, 120 Hz refresh rates and always-on display. Smooth scrolling, fluid animations. Once you see it, you can't go back. Thanks to BRS border reduction structure tech, Apple's also shrinking those bezels to near invisibility. But the bottom bezel, that one gave engineers some real headaches, literally. The solution, rolling copper wires upward, sounds simple, but it's pure Apple wizardry. Under the hood, Apple may ditch 128GB storage and make 156GB the new base, paired with 12GB RAM across the board. Why? AI, baby. On-device intelligence eats RAM and storage like cookies. Apple's own C1 modem and Wi-Fi 7 support are coming too, reducing dependence on third parties and making your connection faster and smoother. That said, Apple's AI tools, especially the revamped Siri, have been delayed. Some execs even called the situation embarrassing. Reminds you of the Apple Maps apology in 2012, right? With all that power, Apple's reportedly working on a vapor cooling chamber, yes, like the ones used in gaming phones to keep things chill. Charging might get a long overdue bump too, from 2OW to 35 West. And Qi wireless charging could bring even faster wireless speeds. Not Galaxy level fast yet, but hey, baby steps. As for battery size, that remains unclear. Apple may not increase capacity, but instead lean on efficiency gains to improve battery life. Let's just hope they don't make us carry around power. Thanks again. So there you have it, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a performance beast, a camera champ, and a design pioneer. Whether you're here for the AI, the cameras, or just need a phone that lasts more than a day without overheating, This iPhone might just check every box. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment with the feature you're most excited about. And don't forget to check out our iPhone 16 Pro Max review and top 5 smartphone leaks of 2025 linked right here on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.